Hi guys, this is AidaVids. Since long time ago I haven't been able to say hello to you in your language. This video is being dedicated to those countries where you speak English and cannot understand when I'm talking in Spanish. The reason why I have been doing the majority of my videos in Spanish is because a lot of people from South America, Central America, countries like in Europe, Spain, or here in North America, the Hispanic population, people from Mexico and many other countries where they speak Spanish, they begin noticing that my information can be very useful for them in order to them try to understand what is going on with this problem about romance scam. I have been explaining to them a lot of things. I have been doing interviews with real victims. They have been talking to me, telling me their stories. There are some of them very, very sad and inspiring. And now it's time to talk to you and let you know what is going on in United States, in Europe, in Canada, or other countries where you can speak English or you can understand English as a second language. For you, it's nothing new or not that new, this problem about romance scam. So that is what I have been dedicating a long time for Hispanic population to learn about this situation, who is really an embarrassment for all of us. A lot of people have been sending me a lot of documents like ID cards, passports, legal documents that have been used by scammers. They have been altering these documents in order to prove or try to prove their stories, the tales they told their victims. Also, what they do is try to incorporate other members to make their stories credible, like making children to speak with victims, calling them mama, I miss you mama, or I would like to be with you mama, things like that, to touch these women's heart. It's very sad. If you can appreciate on the pictures of IDs, you can see, for example, that is very clear to identify that these IDs are fake, no like regular IDs like we know. Today I'm sharing this with you. I hope it can be helpful for you. I'm expecting to you be able to share this information to your friends, or at least to see how you can help me to help others. I need to apologize because my English is not perfect. Since a while ago, when I was doing the videos in English and in Spanish, I told you this. Now a couple of years have passed by, but I still learning, as you can see. So if I make any mistake whilst I'm speaking, I apologize in advance. And you feel free if you want to give me feedback, and I hope my message get clear to you and you can take advantage of the information I want to share with you. Having a long journey talking with people, like I said, I wasn't expecting all these people trying to look for help from me, which I'm a simple person, as you see, by just trying to help them. I have been helping people to understand this situation, and they have not sent money, which is one of the part that hurts people the most. Not forgetting about the emotional and psychological damage, but at least the money is still in the pockets of the victims. It's very painful for me to see how people can be easily tricked in order to them send money to total strangers. It's sad, but it's a reality. The police cannot do much because, as you see or as you can understand, the problem here is when the people accept friend invitations from strangers, total strangers. There's a lot of people that have been falling this, men and women, young and old, healthy, and people that is not, that has cancer or tumors, different other kind of health problems, and they still wanting to be loved. They are still looking for love, for peace, for someone to tell them I love you, for someone to can make these people feel loved. I don't know what is going on with our society, but seems like we are getting worse and worse. Even though this statement I just said, I still believe in us. I still believe in women and men to love each other like brothers. But always, I'm pretty sure, and I know now, there are people that seems don't care about the feelings of other people, and that is sad. It's really sad. Humanity have been changing a lot. Some people have told me you had to be very dumb to believe in these stories, but it's not about that. It's about the people looking for love, looking for real friendship, which is not easy to find if you look at really well what you have on your surroundings. The only thing I can say, and I have learned during this journey, is that we have to learn to love each other, to love ourselves, to respect ourselves, to feel dignity, and to be honest with each other. I hope one day these people who is doing bad things to others change their mind settings. But I know it's almost impossible because money have been the temptation for us to do bad things. When we do good things to others, we just have a thank you and nothing else. Seems like we have been inside of a spiral that is pushing us outside, very far away from where we never will come back. We can change this. We can change the way we are, the way we think, the way we act. We just have to want to do it. Our differences in between races and languages is nothing. We can do better and we love each other as brothers, as sisters. When we respect each other as a man, as a woman, as a child, as a children, as a young person, as an adult, we will easily see how good is that, how we can change our world. But the way we are doing now is not good. Look all those documents that I'm showing to you. Someone spent time trying to make it real, the real possible, to trick others, to earn their confidence, to earn their trust, to earn love, not feeling even a bit of pity or mercy for their feelings. It's not an easy topic now. I cannot laugh like in the beginning when I began doing these videos. I have learned a lot. Myself, I have changed a lot. I still walking this journey to see where this gonna brought me. I hope you can share this information to let people know that maybe if they recognize some of these documents, or pictures or texts, they might be in hands of really evil people. I know these people sometimes look at my videos. I hope I can touch their hearts. They will not want this to happen to them, to their parents, to their sisters, their daughters, their brothers and friends, to themselves. But how we know karma is a real thing. Someday, something's gonna happen. Something is going to happen that will make these people think twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, 10. All what they have done to others, to innocents, to people who trust them, who trust their words. Someday, something will happen. They're gonna move their hearts, gonna touch their hearts. They know they're doing bad, but what we can do? Yes, do not receive invitations from unknown people. We know that. We know that since we were children. Nothing have changed. Danger is still around the corner, everywhere we go. But you know what? Not everything is negative. We can act together to avoid this situation to happen again. We can prevent. How? We can investigate, learn, share, talk, observe. We have a purpose in our lives. And our purpose is not just to have belongings. It's not about that. It's about our soul. It's about our life. It's about what we can do. I know many times people have talked about the same, like dreams, like nothing gonna happen. It's just a dream. But I know we can do it. I'm doing it. I'm trying to. Since almost now 3 years ago. Many things have happened in my life. And it's still happening. Good things and bad things. But I appreciate the good things so much. As well, I appreciate the bad things that have happened in my life. I have learned a lot. I'm still learning. I am more aware of my surroundings now. I have been awakened from dreams that were in my head. I'm sharing this information with you for you to see it and share it if it's possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's gonna help me. If you want to write down to me letters in English, you can do it. Just let me know in my channel and I will let you know how to communicate with me. If you would like to share your stories, you're welcome. We can do it too. There's a lot of people around the world who speak English and need to understand what is going on. You can help them. We can help them. My channel is just something humble. It's made by me with the only intention to help, to share. Sometimes we have good experience, others not that good, but always with the idea of having a good time together. I hope you like my work. I hope it's useful for you. And I hope that you have a good day tomorrow, a good week. And let me know if you like it. This is AidaVids. Nice to see you again. Goodbye.